What's up, guys? So I'm here in my truck at the grocery store. I feel like crapola. I went to the dentist yesterday, got the other side of my mouth deep cleaned, shot me up Novocaine and scrubbed deep. They're not white, they're not pearly whites, but they're definitely clean now. I have to maintain them. There's a couple of things I gotta go back for in the future. Definitely gonna need like 2 root canals, probably, at least 1 cap. Anyway, you don't care about my dental issues, do you? This video is about this soda I just saw. So I'm just getting over getting sick. I had the flu, which was absolutely horrific. I mean, like, it was weird because it was like one of the worst flus I ever had, but for the shortest period of time. It only lasted like, I don't know, from 4 in the afternoon until like the next morning, where I couldn't move. Like, I could not get warm no matter what. I had full clothes with layers and blankets and like a massive robe, like a really heavy robe on, and 2 pairs of socks. I mean, I couldn't get warm, and my body was aching like I fell off a building. But it's that time of year. We're just getting sick. Anyway, man, I'm long-winded, aren't I? It's about soda. Now you've heard about my dental things that are going on, and then I'm sick. Anyway, so I have my taste back. That's the whole point. This is why I mentioned that. So we have Coca-Cola Zero Sugar Orange Cream. All right, so I did buy the what was it, Dr. Pepper Blackberry. I didn't try it yet. I have those in cans. This was available in cans, but I mean, damn, the canned soda is expensive, man. So I didn't want to buy a case. I just bought the bottle, so just to try it. So here we go. I love orange cream. Can I do this one-handed? Yes, I can. Kind of. You hear it. I'm trying to use the grip of the cup holder. Okay. Here's the cap. Orange cream. Ooh. So I'm assuming they're going to have orange flavor and vanilla, right? It's vanilla Coke with orange. It smells good. It definitely smells like vanilla, and I can smell the orange in there. And ironically, I don't smell, well, it's not ironic, but I just don't smell any Coke at all. Usually these flavored colas or cola with a flavor. This is like, I don't know, I'm not smelling any Coke. But anyway, cheers. Okay. All right. Yeah. That is definitely orange cream Coca-Cola. So they did a good job in that it tastes like orange, it tastes like cream. There's really very little Coke in there. Maybe on the burp. What's interesting to me, though, is like people like myself, and maybe you can relate, you get excited, like, wow, there's a new Coke flavor, it's orange cream, wow. You taste it and you're like, yeah, it's pretty good. They make orange cream soda, So, like, I don't know why we're obsessed with new flavors of Coke, because, like, if you like Coke, it's because you like cola flavor. If you want an orange cream flavored cola, it's just a weird combination, isn't it? Wouldn't you just want cola or just want an orange cream soda? Because there's, like, a Stewart's orange cream soda is delicious. No Coke flavor or cola flavor. So it is kind of weird to, like, kind of want or get excited about these different combos. But yeah, I mean, it's good. I don't know if that'd be like a go-to. I like the flavor. It comes across as like very marshmallowy, vanilla forward. It's not like orange dominant. It's very creamy, that kind of a thing. My wife, you guys know, like with the water, I say water like there's a D in there. Wooder, W-O-O-D-E-R. My wife makes fun of me because I say creamy. She's creamy. So I didn't think I did that, but apparently I do. And that's funny because I poke fun of her because she says eggs, like legs. Anyway, but yeah, it's creamy, and that's definitely the overwhelming takeaway from this is it's good. If you like vanilla Coke and you like orange flavor, this would definitely be your jam. If you love Coca-Cola, why are you drinking Coke Orange? Just drink Coca-Cola, right? So, damn. I got gray hairs in my beard. Holy moly. All right, so anyway, that's it. That's the soda. It does taste good. But yeah, I mean, if you want cola flavor, just go for the original or the zero, which, by the way, so many people crap on diet sodas, like all the aspartame and it's cancer causing. Do your research. It is, first of all, it's 99% water. Okay, so you can actually hydrate. You don't have to ever drink water ever. You can just drink diet sodas and you're going to be fine. In fact, there's a lot of people who do that. I like to drink water too, but there's days where I had like maybe 2 cans of diet soda and maybe like a glass of iced tea or something, and that's it. I don't drink water every day like that. I try to. I don't know, it's just not always conscious of it. But yeah, aspartame and stuff, like, you have to drink quantities that are through the roof. It's ridiculous, the numbers. I don't know, 40, 50 cans a day, every day. Like, that's just impossible. Mind you, if you actually drink the volume of soda with aspartame needed to cause any medical problems, you would have already died from water poisoning. Yes, you can have too much water, and that will kill you. So I'm not really concerned with that. It's definitely better than full sugar. And once in a while, for like, let's say I'm at a party or something, they don't have diet, and I have a Coke, you know, like a full sugar Coke or something. At this point in my life, it just tastes too sweet. It's like dessert. It's just different. I can't hang with the full sugar anymore. I don't know if I'm just getting older or just getting used to the diets, but it's just what it is. But I like carbonation. I like carbonated drinks. So I'll always have diet soda or seltzer or club soda type drinks in my life. You know, I like the feeling of it. I like the texture, the bubbles in my mouth. I don't know what it is. Just I'm used to it, I guess. But anyway, Coca-Cola orange cream. It's cool. It's new. I love trying things. So the more flavors, the better. I'm excited to try the Dr. Pepper blackberry. So stay tuned for that. But for now, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And if you try this, let me know what you think of it. It's good, but it's not something I needed. It's just exciting because it's new. But anyway, that's it. Whoa, almost dropped you. Have a good one, guys. I will see you tomorrow in another video. What's it going to be about? Don't ask me. I don't know. I'm just winging this. Anyway, see you tomorrow.